friends, welcome back to my channel. So guys, today in this video I'm going to unbox a mini speaker Mivi Roam 2. So let's get started. I have ordered it from Amazon. This is the bill. Here is the speaker. Good packaging. Okay, so this is user manual. Here comes the speaker, but before this, aux cable and charging cable. This is to get assured 1 year warranty. Very simple to do. You have to just write the order detail and the product number with the product type and color. Then you will be assured 1 year warranty. Okay, now let's keep these things aside. Okay, here is the speaker. Here are the control buttons. Here aux cable and the charging cable plugs in. Mivi branding. Here you can hold it, you can keep it in the pocket, you can place it like this. Okay, so the charging time of this speaker is about 3 to 4 hours. And the playing time, if you play the music at mid volume, this is what the company claims, at 20, it can work for 24 hours. It has got 2000 mAh battery and its range is up to 10 meters. The product weight is 318 grams. This is what the company claims. See how to operate it. This is the power on and off button. This is play button, volume down, increase button. So now we'll hold it.
Power on.
You can see the light blinking.
Bluetooth mode.
Okay, it has went into Bluetooth mode. Okay, Mivi Roam 2. Just press.
Paired.
Okay, it has been paired. When it is paired, this light, the blue light, will stop blinking. Okay, let's play some music in this. The size of the speaker, it has got very good bass and decent volume. You can use it, probably you can use it in a room. This speaker is not for a very big open space. It gives its best output in a 4-walled room. You can see this is very good looking at the front. It has got premium build with metallic grille. You can also pair two speakers for double sounds. And this is water and dust proof, and this is proudly made in India, and it has super solid bass with powerful drivers. Guys, I have got it for rupees 899 in Amazon. This is a 5-watt speaker with HD sound. This is about today's video. I recommend you to buy it. A very good, nice, tiny speaker. You will really enjoy it. You can at this price range. When I have compared other speakers which are offering similar sound quality and at similar price, I have considered this is the best option because it has got everything which it needs to have at this price range. So I recommend you to buy it. So friends, this is about today's video. If you like this video, please hit the like button, share this video and subscribe to my channel, and do check out my other videos. Thank you for watching.